is a video on how to scrub. You apply the soap to the surface of the carpet. Then you come back with an 80-pound power scrubber with a soft bristle brush. And you scrub the carpet from wall to wall. Take your time, scrubbing it. Let that brush break down those spots and stains and pull out all that hair. Remember, Steam Local Carpet and Air Duct Cleaning, Houston, Texas, Austin, Dallas, Waco, College Station. This is what we do for a living. We come in, we scrub it, and we steam it, and we get better results than everybody else out there. I believe that if you do a good job and power scrub the carpet, you get all the way down to the backing and pull up all that hair. It's like brushing your teeth versus using a water pick. Call 281-673-0090 if you're moving out of your house and you want to get your deposit back. We'll come in and we'll scrub it and steam it. Let's go see what the finished results look like. That's what it looks like before. We spray it, then we scrub it, then we come back over here and we take a look. That's the way it looks when it's finished scrubbing, and that's the way it looks when you're finished steaming it. Well, this was a video from Chester Holden and Steam Local Carpet and Air Duct Cleaning, 281-673-0090. Steam Local, #1.